Do you want to be in shape and be more flexible without going to the gym? In this video, I'll teach you how to exercise yoga at home in just 20 minutes every day. Hello there. In this video, I'll demonstrate some fundamental yoga positions that can help tone your body and boost your flexibility. You don't need any extra equipment or gear, all you need is a little amount of space in your living room and around 20 minutes every day. Let's get this party started. Yoga is an excellent approach to enhance your flexibility, strength, and general health, and it is easy to do at home. Before you begin practicing yoga at home, you need to first learn the fundamentals. Check that you have adequate room to move about. The first step in practicing yoga at home is to select a calm, well-lit area where you will not be disturbed. It might be a specialized yoga room or just a clean area in your living room. Set up a yoga mat or a non-slip surface to provide stability during your practice. Warm up before beginning your yoga practice. Begin with easy stretches such as neck and shoulder rolls, hip circles, and spinal twists. This can help you avoid injuries and prepare your body for more difficult yoga positions. Select the appropriate positions for your level of experience. Remember to take deep breaths and concentrate on your motions. Check your alignment and make sure you're not forcing any postures that are beyond your current degree of flexibility. If you're not comfortable in a stance, don't force it, there are lots of alternative options. Take as many breaks as you need. It's fine if you need to relax or take a break. Listen to your body and allow yourself to alter or skip positions as required. You may also pause the video and return to it whenever you are ready. Before and after your workout, drink lots of water. Stretch once you've finished your yoga program. That's all there is to this video on how to practice yoga at home. Remember to select a spot, plan your routine, warm up, take pauses, and finish with a cool down. Home yoga practice can help you enhance your overall health and connect with your mind and body. Thank you for tuning in.